A COP responds to VP Zara's protest against their committee's ruling on Yusek Lopez's extended detention.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Sir, I will go to court.
Opo. Pero,
Oo,
that is
pero
where-
araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await.
That is precisely the point, ma'am.
The-
If our action of detaining
Do you-
your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin
Oo.
po natin yung batas.
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir.
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee.
Yes, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir. Kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President.
Congressman